welding joints is an edge or point where two or more metal pieces or plastic pieces are joined together. The two or more workpieces, either metal or plastic, are joined with the help of a suitable welding process to form a strong joint. Butt joint, corner joint, lap joint, T-joint and edge joint. The joint which is formed by placing the ends of two parts together is called butt joint. In butt joint, the two parts are lie on the same plane or side by side. It is the most simplest type of joint used to join metal or plastic parts together. The joint formed by placing the corner of two parts at right angle is called corner joint. The figure above, two parts which is going to be welded with corner joint forms the shape of L. The joint which is made by intersecting two parts at right angle i.e. at 90 degree and one part lies at the center of the other. It is called as T-joint as the two-part welded look like English letter T. The lap joint is formed when the two parts are placed one over another and then welded. The figure above. It may one-sided or double-sided. These types of welding joints are mostly used to join two pieces with different thickness. The joint formed by welding the edges of two parts together are called edge joint. This joint is used where the edges of two sheets are adjacent and are approximately parallel planes at the point of welding. In this joint, the weld does not penetrate completely the thickness of the joint, so it cannot be used in stress and pressure application.